Hey everybody, welcome back to Nikzglam. This is Nikki. So I am back on YouTube. I took a very long break, and if you want to know where I was, then please comment down below and I will do a separate video where I will be sharing what happened to me, why I didn't do any videos, why I was not posting anything on YouTube. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do your foundation or base makeup. I know a lot of people still struggle doing their base, or they don't have any knowledge about makeup. If you don't know how to do your base makeup, do see the video till the end and I'm sure you will learn a lot of tips and tricks. If you want to know how to do your foundation correctly, please keep on watching.
First and the most important part is moisturizing your skin. If your skin is nicely moisturized and hydrated, only then you'll get a smooth application of your foundation. Here I'm using a mix of vitamin C serum and my moisturizer. Also, it's very important to hydrate your eye area, so I'm applying a eye gel here. If you don't have an eye gel or eye cream, you can always mix your moisturizer with a little bit of aloe vera gel and apply it under your eyes. Lastly, prepare your lips by using a lip balm. Now this is a great way of starting off with your foundation, and it guarantees your base will stay for long. You can use a loose powder or a powder foundation to start with. I am taking a powder foundation and dabbing it all over my skin with a fluffy brush. Now take a setting spray and spritz it all over your face. It's time to deal with the imperfections. I'm going to show you two ways of covering your dark circles. On the left hand side I'm using an orange corrector, and on the right hand side I'm going to be using a darker shade of a foundation or a concealer. To blend the product, use a brush like this, or you can even use your fingers. If you have dark patches around your mouth or anywhere else on the face, you can use the same corrector and blend in. Also, if you have any redness on your face, around your nose, or any blemishes or pimple marks, you can use a green corrector. Moving on to the foundation, pick your favorite foundation and take some on the back of your hand. This method will help you get control of the product. Again, take the same brush and start from the under eye towards your jawline. You should always apply your foundation in the direction of your facial hair. This way it blends also easily, and it doesn't give you any streak marks. Also, don't forget your neck. You do not want your face and neck to be of two different persons. Once we have applied all the foundation, it's time for blending. Now this is a very important step and it's going to take a little bit of time, so please invest your time in blending the foundation, because the key to a great foundation is blending. Now you can use a beauty blender or a foundation brush like this. It's all up to you what you're comfortable with. Now, if your dark circles are covered with just one layer of foundation, you do not need to do this step. But if you're blessed like mine, then take a step further and use a concealer. These two are my favorite. But for this video I'm using this LA Girl Pro foundation, and this color is very close to my skin tone. I am applying it to the areas I applied the concealer, and again with a blending brush I'm going to blend everything, but this time it's going to be very light because I do not want my foundation to move. To set all the liquid in place, we need to use a powder foundation. You can use a translucent powder or a powder foundation or a loose powder, whatever you have with yourself. I'm using an HD translucent powder from ELF. By dabbing the powder onto the liquid, it ensures that the foundation stays and doesn't move from its place, so that all the hard work, all the blending that we did isn't going anywhere. Once all of that dabbing is done, take a fluffy brush and fluff it all from your face so that the excess is gone. And lastly, spritz your setting spray. Now if you don't have a setting spray, mix some aloe vera gel along with rose water, shake it up in a bottle and spritz it all over. Here's a quick DIY for this video. And that is how you achieve your perfect foundation.
If you have any queries regarding this video, please comment down below and I'll make sure I reply. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Only then I know you're liking the content that I'm creating and it was helpful for you. To hit the subscribe button because that is how I know you guys are connected to me. Also, make sure to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I post a new video. Until my next video, bye-bye.